In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use bubble.io. Let's begin by navigating to the bubble.io website. Simply open up your browser and type in the URL. Upon arriving at the homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, which is designed to be user-friendly and intuitive. Once you're there, direct your attention to the top right-hand side of the screen and click on the Login button. This action will lead you to a new page where you'll see several login options. For convenience, click on Continue with Google. This can streamline your experience, especially if you're someone who prefers minimizing separate login information. After selecting this option, a prompt may appear, allowing you to choose from the Google accounts you've previously logged into. Select your desired account by clicking on it. Next, you'll be confronted by a Google security check. Rest assured, this is standard and necessary to keep your project space secure. Click on the Continue button to proceed further. Now you'll arrive at the bubble.io dashboard. This is where the real fun starts. To kick off your bubble.io journey, locate and click on the Create New Project button. This will allow you to start building a new application from scratch or using predefined templates. For starters, let's go ahead and click on Start with a Web App. The next step concerns naming your project. While it might seem trivial, a meaningful name can help keep your projects organized, particularly as you create more applications over time. Now that you've chosen your name, Platform will prompt you to decide between starting completely from scratch or using a template. For beginners, starting from a template can be immensely beneficial. Click on Start from a Template to ease you into the design process. If you're unsure which template to use, not to worry. The Bubble Marketplace offers a plethora of options, so you can find one that aligns perfectly with your vision. Once you've selected your template, click on Get Started. In the subsequent window, you'll have the option to start with basic features. This setting is recommended to keep things simple as you familiarize yourself with the platform's capabilities. Now it's your turn to make this project your own. Begin editing by clicking on individual elements. A pop-up window will allow you to modify various properties like color, size, and functionality. Add some text by selecting the text elements. Type in what you'd like to say and see it come to life instantly. If the original images don't suit your project, you can replace those as well. Simply click on them to upload fresh visuals that match your theme. Finally, once you're satisfied with your edits, it's time to preview your hard work. Click on the Preview button and admire the application you've created.